Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Student, June 2025 and 55 variant complete probability and statistics paper. We are going to start. And what a question number one, students, we have two fair dice or faced label 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are thrown and two scores are noted. The random X is defined as follow. If two scores are equal, X is counted 0. If scores are not equal, then larger number minus the smaller number. Okay, larger score minus smaller. So best way to do this kind of question, so we will make a table. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Don't try directly, chance of mistake. Okay, so this part is clear. So if 1 numbers are same, 0 and 2 and 1, the higher number minus smaller number, 1. 3 minus 1, 2. Then 3, then 4, and then 5. 2 and 1, so 1 difference, 2 and 2, 0. 3 and 2, then 1 difference, 2, 3, and 4. And here 2, 1, 0, 1, 2, and 3. Here 3, 2, 1, 0, 1, and 2. Here 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, and 1. And here 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. So, students, how many options you have? You can see clearly from here. So let me drag slightly up. And I'm going to make a table. Because he said only make table, that's it. Okay. So values, I take X is equals to probability. So 0 option, we have one option available inside. You can see 0, 1, 2 available, then 3 available, 4 available, and last number is 5. And now students, we can check it. How many zeros? So there are 6 zeros out of 36. How many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So 10 over 36. And rest 2 are 4 plus 4, 8. How many 3s? 3 plus 3, 6. How many 4s? 2 on top, 2 down, 4 over 36. And how many 5s? 2, 1 this and 1 top. So 2 over 36. An interesting part, you know it very well, if the sum of all values 1, it means true. Correct. So you can check there's a 14, 620, 10, 30, 30 plus 636 by 36, 1. So we have done it. Now E of X. What is E of X means? Mean, average, expected value. How we'll do it? We'll multiply, 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 and add them all. First value, no need to waste time. 10 over 36. 2 multiplied by 8, we get a 16 over 36. Then 18 over 36. After that, 16 over 36. And then 10 over 36. Now, if we check it, the values we are getting 10, 16 to the 32 plus 18, we got a 50 and 60 and 70. So basically we are getting 70 over 70 divided by 36. And in fraction form is coming 35 over 18. 35 over 18. This is done. First part is done. So alhamdulillah rabbil alameen. Second part, he is asking variance. So first of all, I'm finding EX square. So what does this mean? It's almost same story, just square of 0 multiply square of 1 multiply square of 2 multiply. So I'm doing first. So 1 square 10, 10 by 36. 2 square 4, 4 8s are 32. 3 square 9, 9 6 are 54. 4 square 16, 64 are 64. 5 square 25 into 250. And if I add the numerators only, no need to waste time to type in full in calc. Only numerators I add. So I got a 210 by 36. And now what is the variance formula, students? So variance formula basically is E of x squared minus E of x whole square. So this value I will take from here and this value take from here. So I'm getting 210 over 36 and minus 35 over 18 and power 2. Just matter of typing in calculator. So 35 over 18 and square. And I'm getting in decimal form. So answer is turned to be 2.05. 2.05 after rounding. So I hope so the concept of the question is completely clear. Question number 2, student, we are going to start. The heights of the trees in a certain forest are classified as tall, medium, or small. The heights can be modeled by a normal distribution. So it means the topic of normal distribution. The mean 20 and standard deviation is 5. So we have given mean value is 20 meters and deviation value is 5 meters. The trees are height less than 14 is classified as small. So height less than 14. Heights are less than 14 is a classified as small. And 150 random chosen a sample. So a sample is 150. And how many would you expect? So it means we need expected value how to find. So the formula is NP. So this is N is 150P we're looking for, classified as a small. So I'm looking for this, students. So let's try do, and we know it very well that whenever we have a, how to convert X power value, X minus mean by deviation. So this is basically 14 is X value. So when I plug in 14 here, so this turn and same time H will convert into Z and 14 minus 20 over 5. And so when we check it, this value, so it becomes negative 6 over 5, becomes negative 1 over 2. And negative 1 over 2. And you know, students, what is the basic way we have to do it? First, we do a bell shape. And we talk about is a negative, positive, negative. So right or left, left is here because negative 1.2. Lesser is this portion. And you know, student, this area, if I draw a same again bell shape and when I convert this negative value into positive side, so this area and this area are exactly same. And but wide region we get it from the table is a phi of 1.2. But I'm looking for the reddish area, so 1 minus phi of 1.2. And 1.2 we have to check it from the table. And 1 minute, students. So we have to check the values from there. So students, 1.2 I'm looking for. So phi of 1.2. So basically 1.2 is this, and we're looking for no number is when 1.20. So we're looking for this number 0.8849. 0.8849. So 1 minus 0.8849. If I subtract from 1, we get a 0.1 5 and 1. So I think this part is clear. Okay, and now I'm going to find out the value and what is the formula. So expected value whenever looking for, we'll look for, so NP. And what is N value is 150 and P value is 0.1151. So multiply by 150 and we are getting here 17.265. But he said trees, how many trees? You know, so tree we always take a whole number. So 17.2. So we get the 17 answer because it's not rounded. So 70 is our answer. Let's talk about the next trees are for the trees forest are classified as tall. If the tree is at least means what at least means is H. It means the height is that he's saying what here we have 1 minute. So at least 25% and trees classified H. So we have take At least means that number and more, okay? And we can write like this, and 25% and 25%. This is a story we have. So we can write here this same time, and formula we have h minus mean by deviation equal to 0.25. Okay, so I think we have to write the values, and values we have to write what here, you know it very well. We have given a top, sorry, it is a P for probability, sorry. So probability, and H, what is the mean value, students? 20 and deviation 5, 20 and 5, and 0.25. And h minus 20 by 5 we can take as a. Okay, so we can take this as a bell shape. This number we're getting here A. So this number is more than. So white region is called phi of A, and this region is called 1 minus phi of A. So I'm writing now here 1 minus phi of A is equals to 0.25. It goes there, it comes this side, and ultimately phi of A is 0.75. Okay, this value basically we are looking from the table. Phi of what number give you this probability? And if we go back 0.75, these are numbers, students, such a number, it is available in our table below even. You can see it is available below. So we will take this one directly because this is a probability. So 0.674. Special numbers are given 0.674. So 0.674. 0.674. 5 cancel out, and we got a value is 0.674. When I put it this way here, okay, 5 multiply and 20 add. So let's try to do it. 0.674 times 5 and plus 20, and answers turned to be 23.37. After rounding, I got 23.4. And I hope so. The concept of the question is completely clear. Question number 3. In a certain large school, on average, 2 students in a 5 have a music lessons. Okay, so it means 2 out of 5 music lessons. In random sample of 80 pupils from the school is chosen. So n is sample is 80. Use suitable approximation to find the probability fewer than 27 having the music lesson. So it means P is 2 by 5. P is 2, and Q is naturally 1 minus 2 by 5. So 3 by 5. And we can find the new mean, this question a mean, and mean formula is NP, and mu is equals to N is 80, and P is 2 over 5. Okay, when we calculate, so so it becomes 32. So mean value is 32. And deviation formula, what is the deviation formula? NPQ root. NPQ root. So we are finding this as well. So N is 180, P is 2 by 5, and Q is 3 over 5. And this turned to be is 19, inside root is 19.2. So for more accuracy, I'm just copying this 9.2 as it is. Okay. And whenever approximation comes, students, we do continuity correction. But what is it? Fewer than 27. So fewer than 27 means less than 27. And what is the way of doing? So one number bigger, one number smaller, and less than means, so it means 0.5 we jump. So we say X is 26.5. So we take this one, and now students, I'm writing Z, and value is this, and mean and deviation. So value minus mean, which is 32, deviation, which is root of 19.2. And now I'm going to type this in calculator, and this answer is turned to be negative 1.255. Okay, and student, you know it very well. Whenever negative value comes, so this is negative. Lesser means this portion, but if I draw a same bell shape, but in positive side, So this area and this area, they are same. And the white portion is called phi, and the other is called 1 minus phi. So I'm finding 1 minus phi of 1.255. And now I have to check in table 1.255, 1.255, 1.255, 1.255. 1.2 is available. We have line here, 1.255. So 5 from here and 5 from here. 9. If I add his here 0.8944, 9 add 13, so 5, 8, 9. So 0.8953, 0.8913, 0.8953. And we subtract 0.1047. I think clear. And after rounding the probability, we don't want 0.105 is our final answer. I hope so got a point. Next part of same question. A random sample of 10 pupils for a school is now chosen. So it means sample of 10 taken. And find the probability no more than 2 have music lessons. So music lesson probability is favor. We have already 2 by 5. And Q we have 305. And they said that no more than 2. No more than 2. It means, look, I show you number line, you can understand 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, continue till 10. Okay, no more than 2. So it means no more than 2 means I don't need 3, I don't need all values. I need 2, 1, and 0. 2, 1, and 0. So it means I have to apply 3 times binomial formula. So formula is what? NCR, Q to power N minus R, and P to power R. So N is 10, 10C0, 2 brackets, again 10C1, 2 values, and here 10C2 and 2 values. And first power is 10 minus 0 and 0, 10 minus 1 and 1 and 10 minus 2 and 2. First bracket Q, and Q is 305. The second is a P, 205. 305 and 205. 305 and 205. And now just matter of typing in calculator. And if we type in calculator, answer is coming with a 3SF 0.167. Okay, after we have 2893 also, but after rounding 3SF, this is our answer. And the question number 3 is completely over. Question number 4, students, we are trying now, students applying for the college to make an entrance test. Okay, as students either accepted or rejected or required to take another test. Okay. So 0.3, 0.2, okay, here's the same order. Accepted 0.3, rejected 0.2, and another test is a 0.5. All right. When a student takes a second test, outcome and probability are exactly same. All right. And a student who's have the third test is accepted is 0.5, rejected is a 0.75. So let's start. This is a okay. First chances is what he said, accepted. Second is rejected, and third is what is called take another test. We can say another try. Okay. We can take any letter for it. Okay. We can say next try. Okay. So what are the chances? First 0.3 and then 0.2 and then 0.5. Okay, that naturally these are too clear, no branches after that, but here we have 3 branches once again. Accepted, rejected, and next time try. Okay, except same branches as he said, 0.3, 0.2, 0.5. But now he said that 2 options we have, only 1 accepted and 1 rejected. No third effort. So accepted 0.2, rejected 0.75. Okay, clear. All right. So now what is I said, make a T diagram we have done. Find the probability at random, choose a student who's applied applies to the college is accepted. So I think there's a piece of cake for us. Accepted means the top branch plus this branch plus this branch. So we have 3 branches we have to find an answer. I am writing it now that. So first of all, 0.3 plus then 0.5 into 0.3 plus 0.5 into 0.5 into 0.25. I think point is very clear. Let me check finally. Yes, I'm typing in calculator. Okay, and that answer is turned to be 0.5125. I think, and we can, because these are, so this is our exact answer. So I hope so the concept of question is clear. And C part, what is C part? Find the probability random choose a student who applied for D college, okay, Drydale College, choose at least at least 2 tests given that. So given that comes, and you know, students, what is the formula of given that? Basically, after given that, whatever will go in denominator, given that student is accepted. So it means a probability of accepted will go in denominator directly. And what to write and write the given the and word and read together. He applies at least 2 tests and he accepted. So it means probability applies 2 tests. I'm writing the other way, 2 tests and accepted. So I think clear idea, students. So let's try to do it. Previous answer, we got it before, and that is, I think so. Let me go back and see. Even I can go for the answer even. So I think we can write it very clearly here, 0.5125, it comes from here, number 1. Now he said at 2 tries. Let me check at least 2 tries, what he said. Let me go back. At least 2 tests. At least 2 tests means 2 and more, 2 and more. So it means he's trying 2 and more, not 1 test accepted, not at all. So 2, this 1 attempt and at least 2 tries also, or this one. So I can write in the numerator and then write in numerator. So branch number this. So 0.5 into 0.3. Okay, plus. And I will make this branch also. So I think this need a space to write. So I'm just shifting up and now I'm writing. So 0.5 into 0.5 into 0.25. I think point's very clear. He said at least 2 try means 2 tried and 3 tries. Okay. And we have done it. So this value I'm shifting on next page. So I think you understood well. And I am erasing this line and I'm pasting it here. Okay, so this is our answer and I hope so you understood very well. And now I'm going to type in calculator. So answer is turned to be in decimal is coming with me. This is 0. Okay, this turned to be 0.415. 0.415. Wait a minute. Typing issue. Okay, done. And last part of the question, we have a same page available. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, last part is, just a minute. So next part we have students, 3 friends apply D college by the probability all 3 are rejected. So we have to go back on the previous page. So we have to check it. So all 3 are rejected. How we can do this kind of question? Rejected means, first of all, you can see like we have a choice. 0.2 is rejected. So I'm writing here 0.2. And this is rejected. It is very clear, 0.5 into 0.2. And after this, so 0.5, 0.5, and this last branch, 0.5 into 0.5 into 0.75. Okay, this is our answer, but this is for one friend. This is for one friend, okay? basically a probability of one friend into second friend and third friend, because all, okay, or we can write p power 3 also. So this is the reason we have to answer this way. And if we check it, okay, I have to move this on next page, and cut from here and paste here. So I think you students understanding. Okay, so this is a way to answer. And now typing in calculator, and answer is what? Let me check. Okay, and okay, 3 power. So 0.116. I hope so. The concept is very clear. Though we have another way also, students. I can go for the other way as well, but I think so you understand very well with this way. So question is completely. Question number 5, students. So we have the smarts and the teasers are two quiz team, and that each contains 11 members. Both complete a puzzle, and following table gives the time taken in minutes by the member of each team. So there are 11 members each. N is equals to 11. He said the back-to-back stem leaf diagram, we have to make it. And smarts on the left side. Okay, we have to make it. So let's start. Okay. All right. But first of all, check it. All values in order, not at all. If not at all, then we look for the whole group. What is the smallest and largest? So smallest and largest value, let me find it on the top. So smallest value of the whole group, I think this one digit is 9 only. So 9 is the smallest number, and largest, let me check, 39, 41, 41. I think 41. Yeah, 41 is the largest number. Yeah, so 9 and 41. So I put extra 0 here and leave one digit from right side, and 0 to 4. So 0 to 4 we have taken. So I'm starting now here, all of you, I think understanding. So I'm writing now here 0 to 4. So 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Clear? And now, students, let me start from the smarts. Okay, I cancel 9. I'm writing 9. After that, 11 come 11 one time, then 13. 11 means 1 and 3 here. And then we have 18, 18 two times, 8 and 8. Afterwards, 22 and 28. So 22 and 28 and 29 also we have 29. Then 30 and 38, 30 and 8. Then 41, I think clear. And now let's talk about a lower branch, lower value. So smallest is 12. I'm writing 2 here. Then we have a 15, then I'm writing 5. After that, 18, then 8. And then I talk about 21, I got a 1. Then 25, 25 two times, 5, 5. And afterwards, we have a 32. Okay, I'm writing 2 here. 36. So I'm writing 6 here. 37, 7, and then 9 two times, because I can see 39. Okay, clear. I must write key. What is the key writing technique? I will take any one. I think I should take, I must take, I think I can take this one. No problem at all. So 0/3/2 means what? Okay, so left side, I say 30 smarts. So I'm writing here 30 smarts, 30 minutes for smarts, and 32 minutes for teasers. I think this part is clear. So this part is completely clear, and let's go for next part. Next part is saying here, values of the lower quartile, median, upper quartile is given. Okay, and on a single diagram, draw the box for the both teams. So we have to look at 5 things, students. Okay, first of all, I from the previous page, I need a few things. Let's start. So smarts, I'm looking for. I have to look the values. So first of all, smarts. Okay. And what's the formula for the median? Median formula is very clear. Median formula is n plus 1 divided by 11 plus 1 divided by 2. I got 6 term. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So 22. So median is 22. Median is 22. Now I'm looking for lower quartile. What is the lower quartile? Is 1/4 of n plus 1. So 1/4 of n plus 1, 11 plus 1. I got third place. Third place, 1, 2, 3. So 13. So lower quartile is 13. Upper quartile. What is upper quartile, students? Upper quartile formula 3/4 of n plus 1. So I'm getting here for 12. So 12th place. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wait a minute. Not 12th place, impossible. So this is coming with us for 4, 3, and 9th place. Sorry, 9th place. So 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I got a 30. Okay, and same time I'm looking for the least value and largest value, and that is very clear, but still I'm writing, and I can shift these values, and same time I'm writing least for the smarters is 9, least value, least, and largest value is 41. I'm writing largest. Okay, 41. And I talk about the other, what is the least from here? 21. So 21, least. And largest is 39. 39. So these values I will shift on the next page. So copy and paste on other page. Okay, students. So let's try to do it. So paste. So values are clear to you. And now I'm shifting gradually the values. Okay. So first of all, because he has given some values also given, and 1 minute. So least value is given, and largest value also given, and these values I'm shifting here, and this value for the other. Okay. So these are least and largest. So let's start. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. So first of all, I will keep my eye on the largest, smallest. Okay, 40. So I think I have to start from 0 till ending at 50. So I'll make a line 0 to 50. 0 to 50. Okay, done. So I'm shifting this line slightly below. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. Now, least value 9, highest 41. Least value 9, so I take 9 here. And 41. 9 and 41, so I take 41 here. Okay. Now I'll take the median, 22. Where's the 22? 22, I'm taking here, 22 here. Okay, 22 done, 13. 13 is here. Then 30, 30. 30 is here. And I'll make a box. There's a box and there's a whisker. Done. So this I made smarts. Okay, now I'm talking about other one. 21. 21 where? 21 is here. Then 39. 39 is here. Then, okay, now see on the top here, this lower quartile. Lower quartile is 18. 18 is 2 box back. Okay, then I talk about median, 25. 25 is here. Okay, then I talk about upper quartile, 37. 37 is here. Let me check once again, because so compressed diagram came. I'll check once again. 37 correct. Then 25 correct. Then 18. Here mistake. It is not here. It is not here. 18 is here. Okay. And 22 is median, and smallest value is, wait a minute, maybe, let's go back, and the least value for the other one is 12, sorry, 12, not 21, 12. This is a 12. So 12. So 12 is here. Okay. So I have done box pisker, Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. So this is teasers. Okay. So this is done. Now he's asking what students need from us. So make two comparison between times of the two teams. So times, first of all, you can see this range is bigger. Wait a minute, this is value maybe 41. Yeah, 41. So this number, okay. So you can say that time. So what if you compare back and check it? What top line? Read please. Smarters and teasers are two quiz team contain. It means this. Those will take more time. It means not smart. Less time is a quicker. So less time. So if you look at carefully, so less time. Less time is, this is a less time. You can say here as compared to that one. Less time. Okay. So we can say smarters are smarts are they finish the game in quick time, are quicker as compared to teasers. Done. Number one. Number two, you can say, remember students, bigger interquartile, bigger, this is, look at here, this is a small interquartile, this is a bigger interquartile. Bigger interquartile, less consistent. So this is less consistent, this is a more consistent. Again, we can say that number two, smarts have less interquartile, so they are more consistent. They are more consistent. I think point is very clear. So I think our concept is clear and we need just attention, and question is completely over. Question number 6, students, we have a darts club has a 12 members made up of 7 men and 5 women. Every Monday, team of 4 students, okay, and the club is a competition. Find the probability that particular Monday, a team of 1 woman and 3 consist of, because 4 people we need a 1 team, okay. So what is the planning here? 7 out of 7, 1 I need, so 7C1. Out of 5 I need 3, so 5C3. And total options are what? 12C4, and that's it. Okay, and now a matter of typing in calculator, and let me check if I type in calculator this part. So answer is turned to be simplest form is 14 over 99. This is done. Okay. Next part we have here below. Okay. Yeah. What a question is said. Every Tuesday, the dart club chooses the 3 teams of 4. 3 teams of 4. It means 1 team, second team, and third team. This is a team of 4. Okay, team 1, team 2, and team 3. He talk about. So total 12 people are there. Total people are how many? We have a 12 people. So when 12 people enters, we have to select this 4. 4 people will come here. So 12C4. And if 4 gone, 8 left. 8 left and 4 positions we have. 8C4. When it's done, 4 people left in 4 places. And 4C4. And that's it. And when we type this in calculator, and answer is turned to be 34650. I think this part is also clear. And now let's go for the next page. Next page, this C is under the title of the previous page, previous part. What is title I talk about? I talk about this title, team of 4. This is an important part because B and C part both under the title of this line. So make sure. Okay. So what a story we have in this question. Same planning, but he said how many different ways of team. If chosen that at least one woman and one man must be there. So first of all, let me pick take the values from the previous page. 12 members, 7 and 5, 7 and 5, 7 and 5, 7 and 5. I must write here 7 men, 7 men, and 5 women. Okay, so this is total, and total are 12. We have it. Okay, so how it possible, students? So let's start. Same planning I'm doing. Team 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so team of 4 clear. And what is saying that different way they chosen. If each team must contain one woman and one, okay, at least one. Okay, so let's start. How we can do it? Have a look first of all. Let's talk about here at least one man. So man and woman, man and woman, and man and woman. Let me decide once again, because the situation is what we have. He said that we have to take we have to take one man and one woman. So you can see that at least this is done. Okay. So this is satisfied now. Now, what is the problem left further, students? Because now same planning. Because now, first of all, we write the all options because we have not all people done. So actually, from 7, okay, how much left behind? How many left behind? How many left? For example, 1, 2, 3 gone, so 4 left. So 4 men left behind. And out of 5, 1, 2, 3 women gone, so 2 left. So this is a problem. So we cannot write without any attentive attention. Okay, that for example, I say 6C2 here. Okay, I cannot decide that one. So for example, 6C2 here and 4C, for example, 4C2 and then 2C2. So here chance of mistake. So that is why what I'm going to do. We have two options. Let me decide. First of all, this I copy. This I copy. And I paste here. So I paste here. This is done. Okay. Now we have how many options we have. Let's write now. I'm writing a different color so you people understand. So if I take, let's say, if I take women here and women here, 2 women are done here. So naturally, no women are available further. One possibility. Okay. Then men, then man, and then man, and then man. Correct. One option. Second option, these women are split. So one woman here and one woman here. Now, how many positions left behind? So men, man, man, and man. So this possibility we have total. Okay. And so now problem is how to write it. How to write in a one attempt only and get the answer. So now let's see now how we can do it. So this now interesting part we have this man. How many is 7? So this I can say 7C1. 7C1. Okay, 7C1. Or I can say that, and this is a 3 women we have. I can say 5C3. 5C3. I repeat my words again. First of all, I'm writing here. First of all, right, or I can write even the below part, even no problem. So yeah, there are 7, 7, 7, 7. Look, let me check. Men are 2 and women are 2. Same thing, same thing. I can write now 7C1 and 3 women are there. I can write out of 5, 3 gone. So 5C3. Okay, times. Now, important part, some people think plus here, no plus here, because until all not finished, we multiply. Like a previous page, if you go back, see, they are multiplying and multiplying. Now we are working on these groups basically. So in the middle, they're multiply. So I think the same story is there. So that is why I'm convincing some people ask me, so why are you multiplying? Okay, so this part is clear. This is done. This is done. Okay. Plus now, how many men are there now? So 1 man gone there, so 6 left. So 3 men are there. So 6C3. And one woman, so how many first ladies gone? 3 gone, and 3 gone, and 2 left. So from 2C1. Why 2C1? Because 3 ladies gone first. So 2 left from 2, 1, and now further. Now, what is the next process here? How many 3? And basically, 1 gone and 3, 4 out of 4, 7 gone, 3 left. So 3C3. This is no need to write. If you write, no problem at all. Times 2. 2C2. Why 2C2? Because it's 2 for women. Okay, now if we check it in type in calculator, hold on. I am typing 7 into 5C3 times 2 6C3 times 2 2C1 and times 2, that is end numbers. If you don't type, no problem at all. But interesting part one we have. What is that? Basically, we have a how many groups we have total? 3 groups. You know, we have to arrange them 3P3, 3P3 for that reason, and no number. There's no repeating. So wait a minute. Let me check. Is any number repeating? Yeah. Let me check. Yeah. These two are same. These two are same. Okay. So 2P2 will come down. So so when you multiply with this answer, 3P3 and divide by 2P2. So our answer is turned to be 8400. So I think you got my point. Again, my question is that maybe some people not understanding why I wrote this number. Repeat once again, and I decide why I wrote this number. So just sake of understanding, let's say if I have a B, how to arrange them? So we say 3P3 and 2 repeat. When 2 repeat, we write 2P2. This is the same story here. This is a 1, this is a 2, this is a 3. I wrote 3P3. And why I divide by 2? Because this combination and this, they are repeating. See, MWMM, MWMM. I think clear idea. So that is the main logic. We have done it. So I hope so clear. So many students understand this criteria, but they don't understand how I got this number. I think this part is clear. Let's discuss the lower option. Lower option. So how many men we have total in this? 2 men. So out of 7, 2. So 7C2. How many women out of 5? 2. So 5C2. Done. Times 2. How many out of 7, 2 gone, 5 left? And out of 5, 2 gone, so 3 ladies left. But how many men we have in this? 2 men and 2 women. So 2, 2. And I hope so clear. And now what is this you write or these don't write, no problem. Logic, because 2 plus 2, 4 gone out of 7, so 3 left. So 3 left and 3 men are there. So 3C3 is 1. You type in calculator, check it, 3C is 1. So last combination you write or you don't write, because 3C3 is 1, 2C2 is 1. So this is giving you 1. So this you type and not, just I'm writing for your sake of understanding. And how many women? 2, 2 gone, 4 and 1 left. So 1C1. Again, 1C1 is 1. And now we decide what to write here. This is interesting part again. Check it again. 1, 2, 3. And check it. Are some repeating values are there? I think so. Yes, it works. So these two groups are matched. So 2 groups or 2P2. Again, same, for example, CCD. How to write 3P3 divided by 2P2? Why? Because 3P3 were full and 2 repetitive, that is why. So I think the point is very clear. And now I'm typing this alone. Wait a minute, students. 7C2 into 5C2 into 5C2 once again into 3C2, and rest part I'm not typing, I'm not wasting time. And that answer multiply by 3P3 and divide by 2P2. And my answer is turned to be 1818900. So if I'm adding now 8400 and we got answer, total possibilities we have, total answers we have, what is 27300. I think the point is very clear. Yes, I think this is over. This question is done. Now, plus one part left, sorry. So what question said? 7 men stand in line for paragraph, for the photograph. So let's start. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 men. So just wait,
can you go back?
Okay,
Uh,
just wait,
I,
just wait,
for
just wait. Let me finish first, then you can ask question. Wait a minute, please. Seven men are standing line, okay? And George Henry are their two brothers, and seven men, and which two exactly between two men in the middle. So G and H and other two people come in the middle. He said two exactly. Okay, so now I make a block. I made a block. Okay, so now what is the possibility? How many people left behind? Five. How many positions? One, two, three, four, five. So 5p5, 5p5, okay. And this H and G can change the places even. So 2, right? 2 or 2p2, same meanings. Okay, now, for sake of your understanding, I can show you one option. This is a copy. And okay, wait a minute. I just make it. There are total how many options I can show you? One, two, three, four, five, six. And wait a minute, please, students, just a minute. Copy, and I can show you how many options total we have. This is no need to show to examiner, just for sake of your understanding. Okay, I can tell directly even G here, H and double two here, G and H here, double two here, dashes here, and G and H here, and double dashes. So basically, we have four options we have. So multiply by four. And if I check it in calculator, 5p5 times 2 and 2 4, and we are getting 960. Total values are 960. I hope so the concept of the question is clear, and the paper is completely done. So best of luck, and pray for me. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi